Alexa in your car. Alexa, what can Echo Auto do?
Echo Auto lets you make the most of your time in the car. Add items to your to-do and shopping lists, set reminders, or manage your calendar while your eyes stay on the road. With location-based features, Echo Auto also helps you get to where you're going. You can ask to find nearby gas stations, check traffic, and more.
Hi guys, so we've been selected for the Amazon Echo program. Honestly, I don't know how I got chosen. I have some workers, some friends who work at Amazon, and they didn't even get this selection process. But oh well, let's review this. All right, so we have the Alexa set up in the car. It's our second day working with it, and for some reason it just works much better than it did yesterday. What's great about it is, Alexa, call Joey. And it's calling right now. And I don't have to prompt anything on the phone. Hey, Joe.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
You guys okay? I'm just testing out the call. I'm gonna hang up now.
You're good.
Sorry about that. Thanks, Joe.
No, you're good, man. All right.
Alexa, hang up. Alright, so that's one. I don't have to touch anything at all. I'm not distracted. My eyes are still on the road. Alexa, play Mix 94.1.
Playing Mix 94.1 on radio.com.
And I can increase the volume either there or on the device or in the car. Alexa, send Anna Chen a message.
Did you mean Anna Chen?
Yes.
What's the message?
Hello, I'm coming home from work.
Got it. Should I send it?
Yes.
Sending.
Okay, and it's great because Alexa, stop playing. So I did all that without even touching anything on the Nissan console or touching the phone. And the last one here is I'm driving home from work. So let's say I don't know where I am or where work put me at. Alexa, take me home. And you can see a little ping right here on the phone.
If you don't see them, tap the notification on your iPhone when it's safe to do so.
You get a little ping here, and then I can just press start. And I had to program it in, but now I have Google Maps chosen as my default, going straight home. So with these 4 or 5 things we just showed, I'm able to not use or lose attention from my eyes on the road to go and do my daily activities. Most of it, I think, would be either music streaming, whether that's radio, FM. I don't even need the FM transmitter in the car. Spotify, so that's 80%. And the other 20%, quite frankly, is doing phone calls and getting maps home if I'm doing a road trip. As for asking for recommendations on it, it's using GPS coordinates and it has this weird list of like 4 different suggestions. That's not good enough because I don't have any screen context. But everything else, this is so much better than my first impression from yesterday. And again, those were enabling location services in the Alexa app, enabling notifications, enabling access to contacts, inputting my home address, inputting my work address, changing the Google Maps default, just really working with the Alexa app. So that's kind of the drawbacks, but once you set that up, this is a great purchase just for $25. So I'm going to drive safely. Thanks everyone. We'll see you in the next video, and see you at home. All right, bye guys. That's the air vent mount, and this must be the Echo. I'm surprised at how minimally boxed that is. I already have an Amazon Prime account. I have Echo devices, so I'm already set up. I'm already bought into the ecosystem, so I guess that's why I was chosen for this. I probably have a ton of Echo devices and some Echo plugs. So there you have it. It looks pretty bare bones in it. This was the Echo Auto right here. It's really small. And then you also have your USB cords right there. Again, pretty, it's micro USB. It's 2019. Like, I don't know why they do that. Okay, and then you have your standard auto jack with USB ports, aux cords, your air vent mount right here, and it goes into those type of standard air vents. Man, if you have a Tesla, I don't know if this will work for you. You probably don't need it because you have a Tesla at that point. Let's run the insides of the car real quick. I'm running the Nissan 2017 Rogue. I clearly have just your standard airport air vents. I'm just gonna try and set it up. This is clip-in mount. I'm running the iAudi One Touch display for my phone. I use it for GPS all the time, so it's gonna be a little weird to add this magnetic shelf. Let's add that to the mount. Please stay. Okay, I'm just gonna press it in. I hope I don't come off. Does this turn at all? It looks like it only has one angle. I don't like things that block the vent, to be honest, because I'm from Vegas and it's really hot and it's summertime. So it's like, you don't want cold air blowing on your devices, you want it on yourself. That's your Echo Auto. Great. And nice little square mount. Man, I wonder if it's magnetic. That'd be cool. Okay. Oh, it is magnetic. Neat. Just like that. You can just little tap on. It's not that strong. Huh. Okay. Neat. They gave you this, which is great, but by now I'm sure everyone should have it. I actually am running this multiple USB to plug it in to my last port because I'm clearly charging way too many devices. Excuse the pocket change. There. It's making some noises.
Hello.
Hello.
Let's get rolling. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
Let's go to our Alexa app. So let's go to add device. Let's go to Amazon Echo. Echo Auto is now popped up here. We're not driving. All right, to verify, we're not driving. We're still parked here. Continue. You get all these prompts for the air vent, which I just did. Let's see if it finds it. Or you know what? Maybe this thing doesn't have power. How about now? Ooh, I'm gonna have to turn on the car, I think. All right, so one immediate flaw is some cars allow you to have the battery and some don't. First impression is I'm having trouble. I don't know what happened. I think the power shut off right away. Unplug the power, wait for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna just take it out so you all can see what's going on here. Okay, it's found my Echo. It's setting it up. There's a little orange bar right there. Let's continue setting this up. I'm selecting this as an accessory. I'm not on Wi-Fi, I'm only on 5G. It's asking, can my car connect to my phone with Bluetooth to play music? Yes, it can. So test connection to car stereo. Make sure the environment's quiet. Set the input of your car stereo to Bluetooth. And okay. Okay, that's hella loud. Alright, sound test was successful.
Your device is ready.
Welcome to your new Echo Auto.
Okay, then ask to play music, find the nearest gas station, or make calls. Alexa, what's the weather?
Right now in Seattle, it's 74 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies.
Alexa, what's the traffic right now?
Sorry, I can't get your exact location right now. When it's safe to do so, check the location setting on your iPhone and change it to always allow.
Alright, so I'm gonna have to go on my iPhone and select always allow to get some traffic data. So I'm gonna have to use the Amazon Echo Auto to my location on the iPhone here to always. So Alexa, what's the traffic right now?
I don't know your commute information. To set your home and work addresses, tap the notification I've sent to the Alexa app on your phone.
I wonder if I've enabled notifications. So I'm gonna have to go in even deeper. I'm kind of confused. I just wanted to know the traffic, but it doesn't know. So it tells me here on the app to enter my location information for your traffic update. All right, so from here, I guess I can change my direction apps to Apple Maps to Google Maps. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Add my work address. I don't know, it's a little clunky because I can't even get traffic updates. Alexa, what's the traffic?
I don't know
Okay,
for commute
traffic.
information. To set your home and work addresses,
Okay.
tap the notification I've sent to the Alexa app on your phone.
Great, thank you. To be honest, I don't use Alexa that much, at least the app. I'm always talking to the Echo. So I had to ask it for traffic updates, and I had to wait on the phone for that notification to press that notification. And now I'm going to have to add in my home address and work address itself. Seems a little silly. I've added them now. Please give me traffic updates. Alexa, what's the traffic like?
Currently, traffic to work looks a bit slow. The fastest route takes about 28 minutes via I-5 and WA 520.
Okay, finally. But you have to manually add those locations yourself. So I guess you have to be super specific looking at the app here of what you want to add, which honestly, I don't know if I like that too much. Alexa, play Supersonic Rocket Ship.
Supersonic Rocket Ship by the Kinks from Sean's Spotify.
That upsets me a lot, I guess, with the usually in-car like smart systems is when I'm working with the Nissan, like the voice one, I never use it. Who uses that? Like the voice controls and stuff, like say name now to set up. It's really terrible. And working with Hey Siri on the Bluetooth experience connected with Nissan Auto, it's really slow. It's like 5 seconds, 10 seconds before it responds. Okay, I'm gonna have to give permissions first. Man, what an upside down process, all right? So first, make sure you add your home and work locations in the Alexa app before you set up your Echo Auto. Now I'm gonna allow contact permissions so that I can actually make calls like it says and basically can have everything. And then also you're gonna have to give this to get traffic updates, like access to your location, like not only while using the app, but indefinitely. Playing music, Spotify seems to have worked perfectly fine. Alexa, what's the closest gas station?
Here are a few nearby gas stations. 1. 7-Eleven, 0.5 miles away on East Madison Street. 2. Shell Food Mart and Car Wash, 0.9 miles away on 12th Avenue. And 3. Shell, 0.6 miles away on East Madison Street. You can ask me for things like, take me to the first one.
Alexa, take me to the first one.
You'll need to tap the notification on your iPhone to start directions when it's safe to do so. If you don't see a notification, you can turn these on in your iPhone settings.
It's sent me a ping to at least the closest 7-Eleven. You can see here on the screen that it's not the 7-Eleven directions, but it's like the actual GPS coordinates for that. Alexa, take me to the closest gas station.
Here are a few nearby gas stations. 1. 7-Eleven. 2. Shell Food Mart and Car Wash. 3. Shell. And 4. Shell Gas Station. You can ask me for things like, take me to the first one.
Okay, and now I'm going to assume that I'm already going somewhere, like on a road trip. So Alexa, take me to the first one.
You'll need to tap the notification on your iPhone to start directions when it's safe to do so. If you don't see a notification, you can turn these on in your iPhone settings.
All right, so I got a notification here. I'm going to press that. It's going to exit this one here and take me there. Okay, so that's pretty useful. Alexa, take me to the second one.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
So I don't think it remembers what the second one was. Just by going in here, one press, and then let's search for gas stations. Okay, and then you have this prompt, and then I can see it visually where I want to go, and then I can press there and I can add the stop. Like, Google Maps has really figured this out, but I guess, like, okay, for those who say, like, well, Sean, you're just going to talk to the Echo right here, and you don't have to press anything. You're going to have to press something because it's going to send a ping to the Alexa app that you're going to have to press anyways to auto take there, and then press start in its directions or exit your current navigation. So let's just totally exit here. Let's just say I want to go to a grocery store. Okay, Alexa, take me to the closest convenience store.
Here are a few nearby ones. 1. Ross Park Convenience Store. 2. 24/7 Convenience Store. 3. Convenience Store. And 4. West Seattle Convenient Care. You can ask me for things like, take me to the first one.
Alexa, take me to number 3.
Getting directions. If you don't see them, tap the notification on your iPhone when it's safe to do so.
Okay, well, it prompts it up. Great, it auto launches. That's awesome. But what the heck is this? Like, see, I have no context to where it's really taking me. And you're going to need a smart device anyways. And you're probably going to have Google Maps or Apple Maps. I didn't know. This is all the way in Houston. Oh, man, this is rough. I don't know if I'd really use it for recommendations. Google has already perfected kind of the interface for driving, and even with Siri, it's pretty nice. At least it gives you more contextual feedback. With this, you're missing the total display screen unless you're here in the Amazon Alexa app. Hilarious, guys. My car killed its battery while setting up this Amazon Echo. Just look at that. It's because I was probably powering it way too long, recording this while I was idle because I wanted to stay safe driving. Thank you so much, Amazon Alexa. I gotta call and jump the car.